Well, hey everybody, my name's Mike, and I, like many of you, have a 2001 Ford Explorer Sport. And if you're like me and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you have an issue with your back latch not opening because this breaks. And the reason this lever breaks is because of a little piece like this, which is super hard to find. But I'm tired of crawling in and tearing everything apart, the paneling and stuff, which you can see YouTube videos for how to do that. And I've just gone ghetto. So it's a 2001 Sport. It's an old car, but it's super great, and I still want to keep it. So to open up the latch without this little doohickey, what I've done is you just push for the gate here. Sorry about that. And then on the inside here, this is the only tool you really need. A little handsaw. And so if you go inside here, inside the panel, I have simply just cut out a square molding. Again, I plan on keeping the vehicle. I love taking it to the desert and, you know, four-wheel drive and whatnot. But the way this latch opens is there's a rod. There's a rod that goes that direction, and there's a rod that goes to this direction. And so all I've simply done is I put a little nut. See what this yellow plastic piece is? I put a little a nut on the rod to just make it a simple, easy grab. And if all you do is if you pull it to the right, it disconnects the latches on the edge. So watch and listen. Okay, so here we go. You hear that? So there we go. Just simple, easy speasy. So once again, let me show it from the inside now. There's the latch. There's the latch. And just by pulling it like this, you see that? It disconnects, opens the latch here on the corner. So I know it's ghetto, but it'll take you about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to fix versus half an hour of crawling in here, which I've done. And you pull this out and you replace all these parts and you spend a lot of money. But for what it's worth, go farmer. Grab yourself a little thing, easy speasy, reach down in here, pop it open, and you just save yourself a lot of money and a big headache. So I'm Mike Taker. I hope this helps. Good luck. Peace out, everybody.